Imagine hosting a backyard pizza party where every slice is crispy, cheesy, and bursting with authentic brick oven flavor, without the hassle of a traditional pizza oven. This Masterbuilt Gravity Series Grill outdoor pizza oven delivers this dream, transforming your grill into a high-performance pizzeria in minutes. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or a weekend warrior, this innovative accessory elevates your outdoor cooking game. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why the Masterbuilt pizza oven is a must-have for pizza lovers, its standout features, and how it solves common outdoor cooking challenges. Let's dive into the sizzling details and discover why this oven is a game-changer for your backyard feasts. Solving outdoor cooking challenges. Outdoor pizza making often comes with hurdles: uneven heat, long cooking times, and the need to constantly monitor your pie. The Masterbuilt pizza oven tackles these issues head-on. Designed to fit seamlessly with the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 800 and 1050 grills, as well as most charcoal, gas, and pellet grills, this accessory ensures consistent high-heat cooking at 500 to 550 degrees. Its 360-degree airflow eliminates the need to rotate your pizza, delivering perfectly crispy crusts every time. Say goodbye to soggy, unevenly cooked pies, and hello to professional quality results in under 5 minutes. Why the Masterbuilt pizza oven stands out. The Masterbuilt Gravity Series pizza oven isn't just another grill accessory. It's a versatile powerhouse that redefines outdoor cooking. Its universal compatibility, rapid cooking time, and ability to bake beyond pizza make it a standout choice for anyone looking to impress family and friends. Here's a closer look at what makes this oven a backyard essential. Lightning fast cooking. Cook a 14-inch pizza in under 5 minutes at 550 degrees. Perfect for feeding a crowd quickly without sacrificing flavor. Versatile culinary options. Beyond pizza, bake cookies, bread, or lasagna, making it a multi-purpose tool for creative outdoor cooking. 360-degree airflow technology ensures even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots and the need to rotate your pizza for a consistent, crispy finish. Premium build quality. Features a stainless steel interior and porcelain-coated exterior for durability and easy maintenance. Non-stick pizza stone. Includes a ceramic pizza stone for authentic brick oven texture. Pro tip: use parchment paper or cornmeal to prevent sticking. Universal compatibility. Fits Masterbuilt Gravity Series 800 and 1050 degree grills and most other charcoal, gas, or pellet grills, offering flexibility for any setup. Easy installation. Simple setup process. Remove cooking grates, add heat deflectors, place the oven, and preheat. You're ready to cook in no time. Benefits that elevate your cooking experience. The Masterbuilt pizza oven isn't just about making pizza. It's about transforming your outdoor cooking into a memorable experience. Here are the key benefits that set it apart. Restaurant quality results at home. Achieve authentic brick oven flavor with crispy crusts and perfectly melted cheese, rivaling your favorite pizzeria. Time-saving efficiency. Cook pizzas in under 5 minutes, ideal for busy hosts who want to spend more time with guests than tending the grill. Versatile and durable design. From pizzas to baked goods, its robust construction ensures years of reliable performance across various grill types. Who is this pizza oven for? The Masterbuilt Gravity Series pizza oven is perfect for backyard entertainers. Ideal for those who love hosting pizza nights, barbecues, or family gatherings with a variety of homemade dishes. Grill enthusiasts. Suited for Masterbuilt Gravity Series owners or anyone with a compatible charcoal, gas, or pellet grill looking to expand their cooking repertoire. Foodies with a flair for creativity. Perfect for home cooks who want to experiment with artisanal pizzas, fresh-baked bread, or decadent desserts. Busy families. Great for those seeking quick, delicious meals without the long prep times of traditional oven cooking. Why you should buy the Masterbuilt pizza oven. The Masterbuilt Gravity Series pizza oven is a game-changer for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Its ability to deliver authentic brick oven flavor in under 5 minutes, combined with its versatility for baking cookies, bread, and lasagna, makes it a must-have for any backyard chef. The durable stainless steel and porcelain-coated construction ensures longevity, while the universal fit makes it accessible to a wide range of grill owners. Whether you're hosting a pizza night or experimenting with new recipes, this oven delivers consistent, professional results with minimal effort. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.